So this is our final project for data visualization. We decided to choose a data set that was really interesting to us, which dealt with Titanic survivors. Within the data set, there's a lot of data that we didn't want to use or we thought that weren't too important. So we basically made our own Excel sheet and went from there on what we wanted to use to visualize. So as a group, we decided to design our visualization in a simplistic format. We created 3 bar charts and 1 scatter plot to visualize the data. So first, we decided to show 3 bar charts on the left side of the web page and the scatter plot on the right. But that didn't work out for us because we wanted to show all of the charts in one page without scrolling. So this was our final design. We decided to just place all of the bar charts on top of the page and then the scatter plot underneath it. As a group, we also decided to use similar colors for the bar charts just so it was pleasing when we present to the class. Our first 2 graphs did not need to be a specific color, so we decided to just use both of the same colors, and then moving on to the third graph, we used the same colors, but it was a little different because as you can see, this is how many survived for each age group, and you can see 21 to 30, it was 84, and that's a different color, and once the survival date it goes down, the color purple changes. So from our Titanic dataset, we came up with 4 important questions. We can see clearly from these 4 questions being answered. Our first question, we can notice that the females had the higher survival rate than males. And the next one that we can see that P class 1 had the most survivors compared to P class 2 and 3. The third question dealt with the age groups, and we found out that the age groups between 21 to 30 had the best survival rate, and then 70 to 80, obviously there's about like 1. Last but not least, our scatter plot. This shows how many males and females survived in each age group. And we decided to color code the males and females, that way it's clear to differentiate the male and females. So you can see from here, females survived are obviously higher than compared to males. So this basically is our final project.